Hi friends! In this video, I'll share with you where I stayed in Tuguegarao during my 2 days business trip.
Cabin crew, disarm doors for arrival and cross-check.
I
Thank you.
left Manila at around 6 a.m. and the flight was about 50 minutes, so it was a short travel time. We arrived in Tuguegarao at around 7 a.m. Our hotel is 2.7 kilometers away from Tuguegarao Airport. It's about 7 minutes drive, so it's very near and ideal for travelers. Welcome to Go Hotels Plus. By the way guys, this is not sponsored. Go Hotels is the largest chain in budget hotel sector in the Philippines and is operated by Robinsons Land Corporation. At the ground floor, you will find a restaurant called Patio Enrico. This is also where they serve the breakfast. And then, there's the lobby where you will be greeted by their very friendly staff. I like that their lounge area is very homey and clean. I believe they offer two types of rooms, the Superior Twin and Superior King. I booked a Superior King room. It's a decent-sized room with very basic amenities. It has two twin-sized beds moved side by side to be converted to a king-sized bed. It has two bedside tables with safe box where you can store your valuables. They have a TV across the bed with cable channels. They have two mugs, however, they do not have complimentary water, coffee, or tea. Going to the toilet, there's a full height mirror. Let me show you the toilet area. They have a decent-sized lavatory. As mentioned a while ago, they have basic amenities like two sets of toothpaste and toothbrush. There's also a hair dryer which I think is a plus. So they do not have bar soap but instead they have hand soap dispenser. Next, they have this shelf with hanger, set of bath towels and one pair of slippers. So they have separate area for the water closet and shower. On the left side is the shower area and on the right side is where the water closet is. So here is the water closet area. Very clean and with just right amount of lighting. Next is the shower area which is also very clean. As you can see, they also have a 3-in-1 body conditioner and shampoo dispenser which is always filled with soap. My only concern here was that the water pressure was quite weak. The room is very spacious and cozy, so it's very relaxing. The air conditioning unit also worked well, so it was very comfortable and I had a very good sleep. It's the next day. I booked my room with a complimentary breakfast, and I had it in their restaurant called Patio Enrico. I had daing silog for breakfast with coffee. It's dried fish, fried rice, and fried egg with vinegar as sauce and cucumber achara. The serving was very generous and the food was cooked just right. I was very satisfied with the breakfast and I recommend you to try the other food in the menu. They also offer cakes but I was not able to try it. Patio Enrico is open until 8 p.m. I can say that I was very satisfied with my stay in Go Hotels Plus. The location is accessible as it is very near the airport, mall, and transport terminal. So it is an ideal place to stay for those who are visiting, especially for business purposes. Their Superior King room with breakfast costs 2,070.94 pesos per night. You may check in their website for more details. Tune in for more travel tips and hotel reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!